often use slider items on our website to make lucrative sections to grab user attention. Also, it helps us to increase the visitor stay on time on the website. We can show multiple items lucratively in slider items. Team Happy Addons introduces the slider widget to let you create sliders. Also, it has all the customizing options to make amazing sliders. It's a free widget of Happy Addons. You just need to install the Happy Addons along with Elementor and start using the widget on your WordPress-powered Elementor site. By the way, if you're new to Happy Addons channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get time-to-time updates. Let's get started with the process. First, create a section before adding the widget. Search the widget and add it here. You'll get a default view of widget. Now, add the images from the image gallery. You need to add a title and description. Do the same thing for all sections. Change the size of the image to make it visible. Next, tap on the settings and set the animation speed of the slider. Enable or disable the autoplay. It's all up to you. Change the navigation arrow if you want to. Click on the style and add a border radius. Typography. An arrow position. Choose the best position that you'd like to add. Arrow color. And hover color. Open the navigation dot and adjust the alignment and color. Check the design if it looks okay. Now explore all the options one by one and design your slider smartly. So that's all. It's easy and simple. You have added and styled the slider widget on your Elementor site using Happy Addons. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe and follow our social channel for more information and regular tutorial videos like this one. Stay tuned.